Hi, I'm Chef Billy with the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center, here to talk about our line of performance dairy cheese sauces. If you're looking for an ingredient that's delicious and easy to use, these sauces have the power to work in all kinds of applications across your menu. Whether it's our ready-to-use out-of-the-bag Queso Bravo cheese dip or our line of extra melt sauces, Land O'Lakes has you covered.
All of these sauces come in a food-safe pouch, allowing you to heat the sauce directly in the bag without having to pour it in a pan. No need to clean a steam kettle or worry about one of your cooks burning it during cooking. Just place the bag directly in a steamer or pot of boiling water and heat to 165 degrees, and you are good to go. When we talk about performance, we mean these are reliable ingredients that you don't have to worry about breaking or separating. These are products you can have confidence in. Our performance dairy cheese sauces can handle a variety of harsh ingredients and present a blank canvas that allows you to be as creative as you want. From acidic ingredients to fatty ingredients and everything in between, these sauces can take anything that you can dish out. Try adding salsa verde, chorizo, and a squeeze of lime to our extra melt Monterey Jack cheese sauce for delicious topping for nachos, tacos, or burritos. Add blue cheese and finely chopped caramelized onions to create an elegant sauce for sides such as roasted potatoes or roasted squash. With excellent hot holding and reheating capabilities, dishes like this smothered chicken burrito featuring our ready-to-use Queso Bravo cheese dip will look as delicious in your dining room as it will coming out of a to-go container at your customer's home.
For more ideas, inspiration, and recipes from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center, check out landolakesfoodservice.com and let the power of our performance dairy cheese sauces go to work for you.